Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 2010 CDC report estimated that 1 in 20,000 eggs is internally contaminated. A healthy-looking hen might be infected with salmonella, and may lay an occasional SC-contaminated egg while the rest are safe for human consumption. This is true for both factory farm and backyard chickens. 13 June 2011.
Take our lead.
On the other hand, vegans avoid all animal products or animal byproducts, including dairy and milk. Because most cheese is made from cows or goat's milk, most types are not vegan-friendly. Most vegetarians avoid products that require the slaughter of an animal. 22 June 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Don't wash the eggs until you use them, unless they're soiled. Fresh unwashed eggs do not need to be refrigerated for several weeks. Always refrigerate washed eggs. Eggs will maintain a higher quality when stored in the refrigerator, washed or not. 21 July 2020.
Take our lead.
Seeing poop on eggs is not a sign that a chicken has worms. Worms can, and often will, transfer from one bird to another via their poop. However, chickens are susceptible to various types of worms. They can have worms at any time without showing any symptoms or suffering any ill effects.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Humans can get salmonella from chickens by touching them or their manure, according to the CDC. The birds can spread the bacteria even when they look healthy. The agency says the best way to reduce risk is to wash hands after handling birds, and make sure that children wash their hands. 2.24 March 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.